The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific guidelines for the placement of smoke detectors in residential buildings. These requirements are designed to ensure early detection of fires and provide occupants with sufficient time to evacuate safely. It's crucial to understand and adhere to these codes to protect lives and property. Smoke detectors must be listed and labeled by a nationally recognized testing laboratory. This ensures that the devices meet specific performance standards and are reliable. Smoke detectors are required in several key locations within a dwelling. Firstly, a smoke detector shall be installed in every sleeping room. This includes bedrooms, alcoves, and finished attics where people sleep. Secondly, a smoke detector shall be installed outside each separate sleeping area in the immediate vicinity of the bedrooms. This placement helps to detect fires that may start outside the sleeping areas but could quickly spread to them. Thirdly, a smoke detector shall be installed on every level of the dwelling unit, including basements, whether finished or unfinished. This ensures coverage throughout the entire home. Interconnection of smoke detectors is a vital requirement. When one alarm sounds, all alarms in the dwelling must also sound. This provides an early warning to all occupants, regardless of where the fire originates. It is imperative to install smoke detectors according to the manufacturer's instructions. These instructions provide specific guidance on the proper placement and installation techniques for the particular model of smoke detector. For ceiling-mounted smoke detectors, there are specific placement guidelines. The smoke detector must be installed on the ceiling, adhering to certain clearances. The smoke detector must be at least 4 inches or 102 millimeters away from walls or other obstructions. This ensures that the detector can effectively sense smoke without being blocked. The smoke detector must be at least 10 feet or 3 meters from any cooking appliances. This helps to prevent false alarms caused by cooking fumes. Wall-mounted smoke detectors also have specific placement requirements. The smoke detector must be installed on a wall, maintaining certain distances from the ceiling and any obstructions. The smoke detector must be not less than 6 inches or 152 millimeters from the ceiling. This placement avoids the layer of stagnant air that can accumulate near the ceiling, which could delay smoke detection. The smoke detector must be at least 4 inches or 102 millimeters from any wall or obstruction. This ensures that the detector can effectively sense smoke without being blocked. There are additional requirements that apply to specific types of dwellings. For single-family dwellings, there is some flexibility in smoke detector placement. Smoke detectors may be placed in the hallway outside the bedrooms rather than inside each bedroom if the hallway is large enough to allow for the early detection of a fire. This alternative placement can be suitable in certain home layouts. For multi-family dwellings, such as apartments or condominiums, the requirements are more stringent. Smoke detectors must be placed in each individual dwelling unit to provide adequate fire protection for each resident. Existing dwellings may present unique challenges when it comes to installing smoke detectors. Smoke detectors must be installed in accordance with the above requirements, but exceptions may be made for dwellings that cannot be modified without extensive damage. It is important to make every effort to comply with the code, but reasonable accommodations may be necessary in older homes. Regular testing and maintenance of smoke detectors are essential for ensuring their proper function. Smoke detectors should be tested regularly, at least monthly, to verify that the alarm is working. Smoke detectors should be replaced every 10 years, as their sensitivity can decrease over time. This ensures that the detectors remain effective in detecting fires. The NEC provides a comprehensive framework for smoke detector placement in residential buildings. By understanding and following these guidelines, you can help to protect yourself and your family from the dangers of fire. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local building codes for specific requirements in your area. Proper installation, regular testing, and timely replacement of smoke detectors are crucial steps in maintaining a safe home.